Welcome to Two Guys at a Mill. I'm Simon.
I'm his twin brother, Matt.
And this is our mill.
Let's rip one.
Hey Matt, what are we cutting on the mill today?
Well, today on Two Guys in a Mill, because of all this wonderful tropical weather we're having, we're cutting pineapples and coconuts.
Sorry. You ready, Matt? I don't like coconut.
Very fleshy. Fermented. It must be very, yeah, I think that's a little rotten. That would explain why it was juicy and fermented.
Yeah, that smells. Yeah, that was not really good. Should we take a few more slices out of it?
Yeah, let's take a few slices and... So if you're planning on saving the coconut oil, we wouldn't suggest using the sawmill.
Yeah, that's a little gross.
So the flesh itself is only that thick.
I mean, it's got like shredded coconut in it. It's like a German chocolate cake.
Liquid German chocolate cake.
I don't really love coconuts too much. It's slimy.
Yeah, it's rotten.
Yeah, this side down here.
Weird.
So, what we're gonna try to do, so we don't get all the coconut milk inside nasty, we're gonna try to shave off just barely the top of it, leaving just a little thin layer of the white coconut inside so that we can just punch through that and then drink it. That way it keeps the water nice and clean. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Oh yeah. We could scrape coconut powder off of that. Oh yeah, this coconut's a lot more firm. It's not as rubbery. So this one's not rotten like that last one. I like my coconut when it's covered in chocolate.
Like an almond joy?
Yeah. Just push it open.
Yeah.
Ooh. It kind of looks like fish flesh.
I do not like coconut.
Do we have chocolate? I mean, maybe if I was starving.
Yeah. I'm not on an island right now.
It needs pineapple.
Hopefully that stays.
Well, might as well just top it off first, and we'll see
Take the top off.
where we'll go from there.
That first pineapple was really pale. This one's a lot more yellow inside.
This one's a lot more yellow.
It's got a lot more flavor.
Very juicy.
I am very sticky right now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was fun. pineapples didn't make that much of a mess.
No. Coconuts were definitely a little messy.
Mm-hmm. I'm starting to sweat. I want to get inside.
I'm sweating thinking about drinking it. It's like...
Let me see.
Here, you try it. Just don't look at it. I looked at it. That's what hit me.
It's very cloudy and thick.
That's
why is it so cloudy?
Because the oil.
Yeah, you can see the oil just on the top and bubbles. I don't like coconuts at all, so I don't know why we decided to cut coconuts.
Because it's tropical.
Here goes nothing.
Is it bitter?
No, it just tastes like a coconut, and I hate coconuts. It's not that bad. It'd be better if it were cold. I do not like coconuts.
I already know I don't like coconut
It has
milk.
like the consistency of milk.
I know, but I don't like coconut
It's
milk.
warm.
Or coconut water, or whatever they call it these days.
No.
I mean, if it had pineapple juice in it, maybe I would drink it.
I mean, the pineapple's so much better. You're getting quite a bit of juice out of that, but you're missing the coconut. Are you gonna try that after?
I might take a sip. Okay, now it has like a little bit of juice color to it, so it actually looks like juice instead of stuff.
Well, you swallowed it.
Yeah. That's one step closer to edible.
It's got like 10 more to go. Well, that was interesting. The pineapples weren't nearly as messy as I thought they were gonna be. They just came out in like a pulp or a sludge out the side of the mill. But the coconuts made a pretty big mess.
And they weren't as
The
good.
juice and the oil was just spraying everywhere.
Yeah, they were cool to look, but I don't like them. Unless they're roasted and covered in chocolate. So obviously we found out if we had to survive in the tropics, we would have a rough time.
Unless they had pineapples everywhere.
And fish. This was very juicy. I'm wet. Cheers. Your turn.
No, I'm done. I'm done. So what should we do next time?
Oh man, I don't know.
Not coconuts.
Not coconuts. We've been doing a lot of fruits and vegetables.
I mean, butchers use bandsaws all the time to like cut ribs up. Can you buy a full rack of ribs, not the ones that are already cut?
Yeah.
Let's do that and then barbecue them.
Let's have a barbecue.
Oh, sounds so good. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button down below.
And also share this video with your friends, even if they don't want to watch it. Here's to that. Wow, those were nice coconuts.